So if you're into the faceless content, YouTube automation, and you're looking for AI tool that help you generate images and videos for free, here you go.
So, you finally showed up?
You left me no choice.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to generate your images for free using this AI tool. It generates free images for you, generate free videos for you, animates for you for free, because it gives you about 300 coins every single day. So you have the opportunity of making use of this particular tool for free. Yes, stay with me. Let me show you how to do that. The first thing you do is you head over to your browser and type Gen AI. Yes, it will bring this particular interface where you have to sign up if you haven't, but if you have signed up, you just have to log in. So you sign up with your email, then a particular code will be sent to your email, then you enter the code. Once you are done entering the code, you just log in, and it will bring you to this particular interface where you see the Nano Banana Pro Surround 2. Yes, this is where the work begins. And now if you want to generate images, you click on this particular icon. Yes, then it will ask you to create your ideas. Then you paste your prompts from ChatGPT. You copy your prompt from ChatGPT, then paste it onto this particular space, then allow it to load up. Yes, it takes some time. Now it's done. Here we have different aspect ratio, 9:16, 16:9, so just pick one. So once you're done to generate your video, you click on this describe video, then go ahead and copy your prompt also from ChatGPT. Once you're done copying your prompts, you just come over here and paste. Yes, you paste your prompt alongside the image you want to animate. Yes, then you click on this icon. Then you give it some time. Once it's done, you play it, and if you're not comfortable with the outcome of the video, you can as well recreate, because it gives you about 300 coins every day. So if you're not comfortable about the outcome, you can recreate.
You left me no choice.
So as you can see, there is a watermark below the video. So to correct that, head over to your Play Store and type this Annie Eraser. Yes, then you install it. Yes, allow it to install. Once you're done installing it, then just open it. Yes, then it will bring you to this particular interface. So it will ask if you need the Pro version. Just exit by clicking on the cross arrow. So once you're done, it will bring you here. So you click on this particular interface. Yes, then you select the video you want to edit. You click on the video. Yes, once you're done clicking on the video, then you click on basic. Yes, once you click on basic, this box will pop up. Then you just drag the box downward to where you want to edit. Just drag the box downward to where you want to edit. Yes, once you're done doing that, just click on next. Yes, it will bring you here, and just click on agree and continue. So as you can see, your video, as you can see, the watermark has been deleted from your video. And if you do not want to go through this route, this long route, you can just crop out the watermark from your video. Yeah, that's the simplest. If you want to find this particular video helpful to you and you want to keep seeing more of this, I implore you to click on that subscribe button and subscribe now, and turn on your notifications so whenever I drop new videos, you'll be the first to be notified.